If you are having issues with your Facebook account and need support, try these options to get help. First off, calling any of the Facebook numbers won't get you any support. You'll get a recorded message directing you to reach them via email or through help pages online. We'll provide the numbers in the description below. You can try these phone numbers to find out where to send your email requests. To access Facebook's help and support section through the Facebook website, you'll need to be logged onto your account. After you log in, click on the small drop-down arrow here. Then click on Help and Support. From here, you can report a problem, view your support inbox, or access the Help Center. The Report a Problem link gives you the ability to provide feedback to Facebook about any of its features or to inform them of a technical glitch or problem. Click on either one to fill out a form to send to Facebook about your issue. The support inbox is where you will find responses to reports you have made about other Facebook users or information about your own violations. The Help Center link takes you to a library of information about a wider range of topics and issues. Here you'll find a menu of main topics and a list on the left, and a grid of icons with popular topics in the main window. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter your question and press Return. You'll be presented with a list of articles that are related to your query.